Students, observe the globe and answer the following questions. Let's see the first one. What are the horizontal lines on the globe called? Can you see those sleeping lines on the globe? Yes, these sleeping lines never meet each other. So they must be the parallel one because the parallel lines don't meet each other, right? So these lines, the horizontal lines, are known as parallels of latitudes. Parallels of latitudes. The second question is, what are the vertical lines on the globe called? You can see vertical lines, that means the standing or the curved lines, like little curve. Yes, they are known as meridians of longitude. Meridians of longitude. Third question, list the continents and oceans through which the equator passes. So we can see over here South America, then we can see Africa over here, and then we can see Asia. These are the three continents through which the equator passes. Now what is equator? Equator is the line in the between, right? That 0 degree and 0 degree is written over there. Yes. Now let's move on to oceans. Start. You can see our earth is filled with water only. So we will see which are the oceans. Like this is the Pacific Ocean. Then we can see Atlantic Ocean, and again in the extreme like side we can see Pacific Ocean again. So only Pacific Ocean and Atlantic Oceans are there through which our equator passes. Next question. Encircle the intersection of 0 degree meridian and 0 degree parallel on the globe. We have to see the lines which intersect each other, that is 0 degree meridian and 0 degree parallel. So here we can see 0 degree meridian, yes, and here we can see 0 degree parallel. Now let's see their intersection. Okay, what is intersection? Two lines meeting each other on a specific point. Yes, so here we can see this is meridian and this is parallel, and the place where they meet each other is their intersection. So we just need to mark it. Students, we know that our earth is full of water. There are oceans. So we will read a question which is related to oceans. The question is, which oceans are spread in all the 4 hemispheres? Students, now we know that the line, this is 0 degree meridian. It divides the earth into west and east. See, we can see west and east. And because of the equator, the earth is divided into northern hemisphere and southern hemisphere. We can see Pacific Ocean over here. See, we can see the Pacific Ocean over here, and we can see Pacific Ocean towards the other hand. Pacific Ocean is spread in all 4 hemispheres. In the same way, we can see Atlantic Ocean, which is spread in all the 4 hemispheres. So Pacific Ocean and Atlantic Ocean are the 2 oceans which are spread in all the 4 directions or the hemisphere. Next question, which continents are spread in all the 4 hemispheres? We have talked about the oceans. Now the hemisphere. The meridian divides our earth into west and east, as well as equator divides our east into northern hemisphere and southern hemisphere. Now we can see only African continent. See over here, we can see African continent, yes, which is spread in all four hemispheres. See this, it is spread in all the four hemispheres. So only Africa is the continent which is spread in all the four hemispheres. Now let's move towards our last question. The question is, at which two parallel do all the meridians converge? We can see here the meridians are converging at this area and this area. This area is North Pole. See over here? Yes. And this area is South Pole. So that means all the meridians converge at North Pole and South Pole. When we talk about various places, regions, rivers, roads, etc., we are actually talking with reference to the earth. The location of a place, the extent of a region, and the extent of any linear feature can be described with the help of parallels and meridians. So students, hope you have understood. Thank you.